This video is about the surprise boxes. There are three types of surprises boxes. One is epic, number 2 rare, and number 3 legendary. Epic with low powers, rare with average powers, and legendary with high powers. Let's quickly unbox a few legendary boxes. As I have 431 pool cash, with this pool cash I am going to buy legendary boxes. Why legendary boxes? Because legendary boxes has legendary Q pieces. With that Q pieces we can unlock legendary Qs. 3 legendary boxes will cost me 43 pool cash. As we have 431 pool cash, I can get approximately of 30 legendary boxes. Now let's buy legendary boxes. Yeah, as we have bought the legendary boxes, now we can quickly unbox them without wasting any time. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you how many legendary Qs can be unlocked with 30 legendary boxes. Here we can see we got our first legendary Q. It is Phoenix Q. And this legendary Qs no need to recharge, so that as premier Qs we have to recharge the premier Qs with our coins, but for these legendary Qs we have no need to recharge any of the Qs. It's completely unrechargeable. Many of the people don't know what exactly the legendary boxes are and the legendary Qs powers. So let me explain about the legendary Qs powers. As if you have approximately of 8 to 10 legendary Qs, you can get from 40 to 50% of the cash back. That means when you play a game with your opponent on online, you will get 40 to 50% of coins back to your account if you lose that game. But with premier Qs there is no way to get the lost coins. So legendary Qs are the best, and I specially recommend you guys to use these Qs so that if you lose a game you can get some coins back. We have almost unlocked many of the boxes, and finally there we go, we got our second Q. It is Minotaur Q, and I think we have left 14 boxes. Let's see what more we can get. But to get these legendary Qs we have to waste a lot of cash, as if you are not a so good player and you can't get top on the leagues and we can't get cash, no way you can get these Qs. There is a way to get cash. It is the cash trick. There we go, friends. Our third Q is unlocked. It is Inferno Q. So up to here we have unlocked 3 queues. Now let's see what more we can. If you are not topping on the league and you are not winning any type of cash in the leagues, you are not going to get any cash, so that you can't buy any queues. But there is a way you can get the cash. That is the cash trick by me. Go check the cash trick and make some cash and buy the legendary boxes. The cash trick will be given in the description. Link of the video will be given in the description. Go check it out, friends. Be careful, guys. While doing the cash trick, your account may get banned. So don't go to huge amount of cash, but you can do a minimum of 200 to 300 pool cash. That will be fair amount, so that you can buy enough surprise boxes. With that surprise boxes, you can get legendary queues and you can go. So guys, I think there is no more coming in. It is very bad, friends, as I have unlocked 30 surprise boxes, but I just got only 3. I just got only 3 legendary queues. It is really bad. We almost there to get Excalibur Q and Karaken Q. For Medusa and Hammer Q, we need 2 more pieces for each Q to unlock. And Archangel and Atlantis Q, no way, there is 0 pieces unlocked. I think we need to have a huge amount of cash so that we can buy a lot of surprise boxes and then only we can unlock them. So bottom line of the story is, friends, with 431 pool cash we can only unlock 3 legendary queues. So guys, stay awesome, love you all, thanks for watching my video.